Hey Fisher, what is Alan? Why did you invite us all here? Plus, why are you watching War of the Worlds? In fact, you should probably turn the volume down. 3%. There you go. So, you're watching War of the Worlds right now. I'm not even kidding. It's not just a random movie. Seriously. I would show you, but no. Copyright strike. No. Well, show for 1 second. There you go. But, yeah. Why did you invite me, Albert, and also Nazut, Nazalato? I invited you all here to tell you something. Okay, then what is it? It's about Coach. Frick. Plus, it's also almost Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's like today, right? It's only like 3 a.m. in the morning. Literally. Yeah, but there's just one problem. What? It feels like Christmas. Yeah, that's kind of true. I mean, we did say snow on the way here. Yeah, I thought you were gonna say, how does it feel like Christmas? Yeah. I was saying that, but nah. Why don't you go look outside? Okay. I know it's snowing. Okay, it wasn't this bad before. What the heck? There's a Jeep there. And the light, too. Look at this snow. My going kind of tastes good. Look at the size of the snowflakes. Dang. Wow. It's beautiful, though. Wow, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Mammoth prints, too. Wow. Looks like an ice age, and creatures are also coming to over here. But looks like none are out right now. Must be all asleep. It's cold though, I don't have any feathers. That scared me. Oh. Oh shoot, that was loud. The tree of life looks like the tree of death right now, but there's many tree of lives on this island, but yeah. It's a bit of snow on my face, but wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Hey, what is that doing there? What the? There's a human Jeep right there. Covered in snow. Is that an army vehicle? Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. Fisher, you weren't kidding. It is snowing hard out there. What's it gonna be called? Blizzard 3? Oh, never mind. This is probably just gonna be called Dinosaur Island Episode 6. The Blizzard. So, yeah. I went out there. Albert's not allowed to go out there, otherwise he'll die. His color will lose. He'll lose his color and he'll freaking die. That's it. Yeah, that's true. I can go out there, but I just don't want to. Why? Because I just literally came from the lake inside this mountain, the giant lake inside this mountain with the baby mosasaur in it. And I'm still a bit wet. And if I go out there, I will be freaking freezing. Look at that, War of the Worlds. And around the part where the tripod is literally coming out of the ground, where it destroyed the church. I'm religious. Seriously, I am. Yeah, I believe in God. Yeah, I pray. So, yeah. I'm gonna let Albert talk right now. I'm gonna go rest over here. Oh, man. Fisher, how rich are you? Seriously. I really have no idea. Just ask Fro instead of me. I'm not the right person to ask. Yeah, that's true. So then, I am one of the main guardians, along with you. So, yeah. So, Fisher, why did you really bring us here? I brought you all here to really tell you what I think about Thanksgiving. I don't want to know what that noise was. Oh, that was just a tripod just walking outside. It's fine. They're daily. Wait, really? Is that why there's... Wait, Alan, is that why there are no mammoths out there? Or mammals? Most likely. Wait, Albert, how did you know? I don't know. Plot reasons? I mean, there is no plot. What am I talking about? Shut up, tripod! Man, they're zapping things outside. Anyway, so I'm, Okay, somebody turn on the TV. Jeez. Thank you, cameraman. So wait a minute. Where's Ankalov? He don't want to come. He's too old. Besides, in the freezing cold, he'll just, shrivel up. Are you being rude? Are you making fun of him just because he's an old man? Maybe. Gosh dang it, Fisher. Why are you making fun of old people now? Okay? I don't know. Man, where's the popcorn? Harry should be here with popcorn right now. Wait, Harry's not here. Oh, well, frick, he's usually the popcorn person. Nazuto. I forgot your name already. Freaking darn it. So you want to go get the popcorn? No, I'm too lazy. I don't want to get it at all. Besides, one of my horn's missing. Yeah, that's true. Well, you can't go out there, otherwise you'll probably get an infection from the cold when you're with your injured horn right here. So, let me just... Did you say she tastes the blood? Yeah. I hate you. Uno reverse card. What the frick is an Uno? What the frick is an Uno reverse card? I have no idea. So, yeah, Fisher. So, where is Harry? Harry is with Fro in Inkopolis. Really? Wow, that's unexpected. I thought dinosaurs were not allowed in Inkopolis. Well, only small ones. Harry's allowed. Parasaurus, Coelophysis, Nigrosaurus, Dryosaurus, Homocephaly, Compsognathus, and a lot of other small dinosaurs are allowed there, including Microraptor. Wow, only small ones. What's wrong with us big ones? You and Alan are allowed. Yeah, that's true. Because you guys are medium. You're nowhere near. Besides, Albert, you're nowhere near than your big sister. What? Rexy? Your cousin? Your cousin Rexy? Yeah, that's true. Man. Sorry I went silent for a second there, but sorry. So, yeah. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So, this is a discussion episode, or what are we gonna call it? I don't know, probably Dinosaur Island episode 6. Uh, the Blizzard. So, yeah. That's not really focusing on the Blizzard. Yeah, that's it. The end of the episode. Let's see, cut the camera. Cut the camera. Okay, fine, jeez. Cut the camera, Fro. It's Fructo. I don't care what your full name is, just cut the camera.